Important reminder: before you assemble your LiberNovo chair, please put on the provided safety gloves. Some metal or plastic parts may have sharp edges. Your safety is our priority. Start by raising the seat to its highest setting. Then gently shake the chair and lift it to separate it from the wheelbase. Place the seat module back onto the gas cylinder and lower the seat to its lowest position so that the gas cylinder can be stored in the box later. Now shake and lift again, and finally remove it from the wheelbase. Remove the neck support by pulling it upward in one quick, smooth motion. Press upward to release the upper back clip from the frame. Remove the lower back rubber retainer. Then remove the backrest from top to bottom. Return the clip back into place and press the lower rubber retainer back into its slot. Remove the motor connection screws and move the back support slide to its lowest position. Twist to loosen. Then remove the adjustment lever from the chair. Remove the two side screws and front screw to disconnect the frame from the seat. Unplug the USB-C cable from the seat. Remove the battery. Now, you can remove the seat and armrests from the frame. Pull to remove the tilt tension knob. Grip each wheel firmly and pull them out one by one. Place a protective layer on the floor and gently tap the bottom of the gas cylinder to loosen it. Make sure all parts are fully disassembled and accounted for. Install a paper guard on the armrest sliding rail to keep it from moving. Place the components in the box in the correct order. Slide the anti-expansion sleeve onto the gas cylinder. Put all small accessories into the provided bags. Place all accessories into the accessory box in their designated spots. Ensure all components are packaged properly. Place all components in the box in the correct order. Finally, place the top cover on and seal the box, and you're good to go.